Ever wondered what might happen if you import a banned product into Pakistan? A viewer raised this intriguing question, and today we'll delve into the repercussions. When you attempt to bring a prohibited item into the country, it passes through customs, whether it's shipped by air or sea. No mode of transport will shield you from the vigilant eyes of customs officers. Now, what happens if they discover a banned product? Well, they seize it. But the consequences don't end there. You, as the importer, could face a hefty fine. And that's not all. You could find yourself tangled in a web of legal troubles. Imagine the stress, the time, the resources you'd have to invest in dealing with such a situation. So it's clear that importing banned products can lead to significant trouble. It's a gamble that's just not worth the risk. So think twice, act wisely, and stay informed about your country's import policies. Let's delve into a real-life story that highlights these consequences. Picture this. A man imported adult toys, a product banned in Pakistan. Customs officials seized his shipment upon arrival. The man received a call, an unusual summoning from the officials. The consequences? His product was seized and he faced a potential fine. He was left in a quagmire, unsure whether to face the music or avoid the call. This tale serves as a stark reminder of the risks involved with importing banned products. So, what have we learned today? Importing banned products into Pakistan carries consequences, including potential fines and legal troubles. We've heard firsthand the troubles one individual faced when importing prohibited items. To avoid such predicaments, it's essential to know which products are banned. Keep an eye out for our upcoming video where we'll dive into how to find out which products are banned in Pakistan. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to importing products. Stay tuned for our next video to learn more about Pakistan's import policy.